Hi, this is Dr. Dan Ronel. You're listening to Talk 1260 KTRC, Western Medicine, a show about the realities of plastic surgery. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, and right now we're going to have the Skincare Tip of the Week by Marian Urban from the Sterling Institute, the premier medical aesthetic institute. Marian.
Okay, nothing new this time, but it's a reminder to all of you, it's summertime and it's sunblock time. If you apply your sunblock in the morning, don't think that that's enough. You're going to be outside for more than 30 minutes a day. You should be reapplying your sunblock. Ladies, 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 that décolleté must be protected during the summer because that's what shows the age much faster than any part of the body.
For those of you watching us on YouTube, we have a beautiful décolleté right there.
So, if she doesn't protect it, you know, by the time she's 60, she'll be seeking my services to try to rebuild it.
What about the fact that you get sunblock that says it lasts 15 hours or 12 hours?
No, there is no such thing. The thing of it is that we're in New Mexico, so we don't have the moisture in the air, so automatically it goes against you. Everything evaporates very fast. Your skincare, ladies, men who are wearing one moisturizer in their sunblock, by 1 o'clock in the afternoon it's gone. So that's why we have such a serious dryness in skins in this part of the world. The other thing is, you know, some of you wear baseball caps. That is not a sun hat. Baseball caps were invented for baseball players to keep the glare out of their eyes when they're playing ball. So every time I ask my patients, do you wear a hat? Oh yes, they're faithfully every day. I ask them what kind. I wear a baseball cap, of course. And that is not a sun protector. We're talking, ladies' hats are coming back in, and they're gorgeous hats out there. I love big hats. So wear those hats, get them out, because that's the one thing that's going to really help you keep the sun off your skin. Even nowadays, they're making sunblock for pets. For those of you who have pets with white hair, you really need to watch them also, because they love that sun and they lay out there. I have chihuahuas and I have to keep them inside because one of them is white and she just hangs out in the sun. So sun in this part of the world is not something to mess with. We have skin cancer on the rise, and it's due to sun.
Okay, you've been listening to the Skincare Tip of the Week by Marian Urban of the Sterling Institute. Okay, now she's going to record another one that you can chop up and put in. Okay. So the intro and the outro you can use for all the different skincare tips.
All right.
Okay.
I'll start. So you've already done the intro, and
yeah.
I'll just get another skincare tip right now.
Okay, ready you go. Top.
Oh, okay.
Well, you baby.
Oh, you. Okay. Well, this week's tip of the week is going to be about thirsty lines. How many of you know thirsty lines? Some of you wake up in the morning, you look in the mirror and you go, oh my God, look at my wrinkles. And a lot of times they see me and I go, those are thirsty lines. Basically the skin is very thirsty. And it starts showing little crepey lines. They're not wrinkles, your skin is talking to you saying, I'm thirsty. So it again requires that you put on layers. As we know, in this part of the world, everything evaporates very fast. I personally do not leave the house, and I've got acne-prone skin, without putting 7 layers on my face. Now, by the time I get home, I'm probably working on the last layer. So if I don't take care of my skin and I don't keep it as lubricated, I start breaking out because the skin starts getting dry, and that's a whole other subject, which is acne.
And let me say, she has no wrinkles, which is beautiful skin.
For those of you watching this on YouTube, you can really see what beautiful skin.
Flawless, and she doesn't do any of that stuff, Botox, filler, nothing. She looks great.
No, I haven't yet. Anyway, so you know, there's a difference. So before you panic, and the other thing is just to go out there and buy all kinds of stuff. You have to learn how to do your layers so that you feed the skin and the skin doesn't get thirsty. So again, you might not have wrinkles that are making you panic and, you know, look deeply and they're probably thirsty and you can fix it. Deeper lines, well, there you've got Dr. Ronel to help you with.
Okay.
That's the tip of the week.
That's good.
Should we go into detail of the 7 layers or not?
Well, that's another layer.
That's
another
tip. We can do a whole other talk on that.
Okay. Yeah.
I think we're gonna do one more here.
Let's do one more tip.
All right. So you have another tip.
Okay.
Alright. Go ahead.
Okay, this week, tip of the week for your skin. We can call them scrubs, we can call them exfoliations, but it is important in this part of the country to use exfoliator. Now, there's a myth of working with scrubs, but the point is that you should be working with your scrubs in the morning. Now, you say, why in the morning? Well, at nighttime, by the way, everybody should be cleaning their skins at nighttime before you go to bed. At nighttime, your skin repairs itself. It's not dirty, it hasn't been out in the environment, so when you wake up in the morning, pretty much all the dead skin is standing up. So that's when you should do an exfoliation, because then you get the dead skin off. If you do the exfoliation at night, you tend to glue the dead skin with, glue it together, so you don't really get off a lot of skin. There's a lot of exfoliators out there, so everybody has to be careful that they do not get a very aggressive exfoliator. Because the skin is very fragile, especially ladies who then, after 40, 45 years old, your skin begins to thin out, especially with going through menopause. So you have to be careful with what kind of exfoliators that you use. You should be having a really nice, delicate, grain, creamy type of exfoliator so you don't do damage. But you should exfoliate at least once a week.
Okay.
And that's your tip of the week.
Well, thank you.
Good one.
That was
All
good.
right.
That was good.
I love it, I love it, I love it.